Okay, good day. Our topic for this week is circular functions, and it consists of the following learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to illustrate the different circular functions and use reference angles to find exact values of circular functions. Ito yung na-discuss ko na sa inyo nung kayo nasa grade 10 pa. Pinag-aralan natin doon how to determine the exact values of any angle in standard position using the table of values of the special angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, etc. etc. So, para magiging review lang ninyo itong ating discussion about circular functions. May dalawa tayong pag-aaralan dito. One is circular functions and two reference angles. Itong dalawang ito na discuss ko na sa inyo. Okay? Pero ano ba yung circular functions? The functions describing the horizontal and vertical positions of a point on a circle as a function of angle, like cosine and sine. Meaning, we're going to determine the six trigonometric functions of any angle. Okay? Angle in standard position that will show the location of a point on the xy plane. So, kailangan alam natin yung horizontal and vertical distance of this point. Okay? Para makuha natin yung six trigonometric functions of the angle. Or vice versa, given yung angle, alamin natin yung horizontal and vertical distances. Okay? Let us further define the trigonometric functions of any angle in standard position on the Cartesian plane. Okay? We have let theta be an angle in standard position with x, y, a point on the terminal side of theta, and r equals square root of x squared plus y squared not equal to 0. Now, papansin nyo, in our illustration here, napag-form tayo ng right triangle. Okay? And the point is located here, and the horizontal distance of that point is x, while the vertical distance is y. And itong ating hypotenuse is r. Okay? R. Kapag r equals 1, we're referring to a unit circle. Okay? Now, our idea here is to determine the ratios of the sides of this right triangle. Okay? And also, r equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. This is something like the formula for Pythagorean theorem. Okay? That is finding the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Now, let us determine the six trigonometric functions of theta in reference to the horizontal and vertical distances of this point, x, y. For sine, the ratio of sine theta is y over r, where that is opposite over hypotenuse. For cosecant theta, that is just the reciprocal of sine, which is r over y. For cosine theta, that is adjacent side, which is x over hypotenuse. And for secant, the reciprocal of cosine, which is r over x. For tangent theta, that is just the ratio of the opposite side, y, over the adjacent side, which is x. For cotangent, that is just the reciprocal of y over x. And for cotangent, that is x over y. Okay? Now, we're going to use these ratios in finding the six trigonometric functions of any angle theta in standard position. Okay? So, ang given natin ay point. Or pwedeng kabaliktaran, given yung angle, kukunin natin yung horizontal and vertical distances. Okay? Now, ano pang kailangan natin para makapag-solve tayo ng six trigonometric functions of any angle in standard position? Dapat alam natin yung signs of the six trigonometric functions sa iba't ibang quadrant. Sa first quadrant, all of the six trigonometric functions are positive. Sa second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. Sa third quadrant, only tangent and cotangent are positive. For the fourth quadrant, only cosine and secant are positive. And remember, in quadrant 1, theta is between 0 to 90 degrees. Second quadrant, theta is between 90 to 180 degrees. And the third quadrant, that is angle is between 180 to 270 degrees. And on the fourth quadrant, we're referring to an angle that is between 270 to 360 degrees. Okay? Ano pa ang kailangan natin? Kailangan memorize din natin yung trigonometric ratio table. Okay? At alam din natin yung conversion of this angle in degree papuntang radian and radian to degree. At yun ay na-discuss ko na sa inyo. And these are the values of the 6 trigonometric functions ng angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. So, kailangan memorize to. At yung kanina, yung signs of the 6 trigonometric functions. So, I'm going to give you 3 examples for this topic. And so, I'm just going to give you examples, 3 examples for this topic. So, thank you.